How VPNs work. A simple explanation for beginners. Let's break down how VPNs actually work. A VPN, virtual private network, acts like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. When you connect to a VPN, it encrypts all your online activity, routes your traffic through a secure server, and hides your real IP address. The result? You stay private, anonymous, and secure. Think of it like sending a sealed letter instead of a postcard. Without a VPN, anyone can read your online data. But with a VPN, everything is locked down and hidden from prying eyes. Hackers, your ISP, or even public Wi-Fi snoops. John was new to VPNs, but he found NordVPN super easy to use. Now, he feels confident using public Wi-Fi, logging into his accounts, and browsing any site. So whether you're at home, at work, or traveling abroad, using a VPN is one of the simplest ways to boost your privacy and security. You don't need to be tech-savvy, just install the app, turn it on, and you're good to go. John uses NordVPN to protect his privacy, and you can too. Link in description.